Alright, let's try and be serious here, people. It's Monday morning. We need a hot tube, work to be done. But while you're in here on the shit house, this is what we done here at the Shifty shop this week. Got the axles jerked out of the donor. Got the seats pulled out. We're starting to look at them and Alice just to see if we can get by with that, because as of yet, we haven't spent squat. We're now looking at a half-ass clean bay in the shop. Time to bring that chunk of frame back inside and start figuring wheelbase and motor place. We got the girls on this here video pulling the axles and the seats, and then we go and chop all the ice off Finley where we laid the tarp over them earlier this year. The snow melted and then formed into big lumpy chunks of ice that encased the motor. Took a fucking hatchet to get it cleared.
Seemed like a good idea when we did it.
Yeah. Try and protect your motor and encase it.
In ice.
But we got that all out. We got Finley over here to drug the body out. And that's where we're sitting. We're going to be toting the frame back in next week and starting to figure out our wheelbase and just how high and low and forward and back to put the motor. There's a shitload of wire brushing and other bullshit that's pretty boring. Really, you should find something better to do than watch this show. I mean, just go for the little clips of hot stuff and then come back to us. I'm not going to keep rambling on because that just Alabama hammers this whole video. If you that get that and have watched that feller, yeah, I'm sorry. Well, that's all I got to say. What about you, bitch, too?
Yeah, nothing.
Alright, folks, well, here's what we done this week. There's a bit of axles, a bit of seats, a bit of ice removal, and a good tuggy-tuggy. And we'll see you Monday.
Oh shit, that was me, sorry. I forgot about that. I was scraping the shit off the floor.
Good times. That's what happens when you let ice build up on the tarp.
You want one?
Come on back. Come on back. All right. So now, let's hook her up. Tell it, Bubba. You tight. Yeah. You're doing good. Keep going.
You feel like a fucking school bus driver?
Well, that's the end of this episode. Don't forget to tune in next Monday for another edition of the Shifty Shop and the shit we've been cobbling.